fish on. Well, good morning this morning. Well, I'm super excited today. I got a brand new rod. I got a custom rod built by a buddy of mine. I'm dying to try out. It's a St. Croix Legend Elitfe blank with custom guides on it. He's got them custom titanium guides on it. And this thing is a dream to hold in your hand. He customized, I wanted to customize the back of the butt of it so it balances in your hand perfectly level. And look at that. It doesn't, your tip don't want to lean forward, or, you know, because for jigging walleyes, I'm holding my rod like this all day long, level out to the water. It's not like bass fishing where you're up like this, and so fatigue becomes a major factor. So he actually put lead up inside the blank in the back here, and it's perfect. This is going to be a dream rod right here. He even put my name on it and the inside of it. Pretty cool. It's like I said, it's a St. Croix Legend Elitfe blank, 6'3", medium light, fast action. Wow, walleye better look out. This thing is going to catch them. We're going to try it out and see if we can get anything, so stay tuned. There we go, folks. All right, first fish on the new rod. It didn't take long. Little fella, but hey, it's a walleye. All right. That one messing with it. Got him. Yeah. Another walleye. Another walleye on the jigging rod. A little better than the last one. Yes. There's one hitting it. I got him. Yeah. Oh yeah. Walleye on the new rod. Yes. Oh, he got a quick release. I tried to lift him in, I shouldn't have. He was too big to lift, but yeah. God, I love this new rod. This is awesome. This is awesome rod. Like I said, I mean, it is super, super light with the custom eyes on, or guides on it and stuff. And the biggest thing is this weight system he put in the back of this thing. I mean, you just hold it out there, and you take any of your common rods and you hold it like you normally hold it in your hand, and the thing's gonna go like this. It's gonna, the weight. And with jigging, you're holding it level like that, or just slightly below level, and it wears on your wrist because the rod's wanting, and you want to hold it up. And this thing is just a dream. It's just hold it straight out there, and it is awesome. Like I said, he actually stuck lead inside the blank of the end of the rod. You know, a lot of them, they used to sell the butt caps that, you know, you can put the weighted system on the back, but they're hard to find now. I don't even see them anymore. That mud hole doesn't carry them anymore, I don't think. But this one that's already weighted is just awesome. Totally awesome. Let's see if we can get another one. There he is. There he is. Yes. An old scrapping walleye. Come to Papa. Well, I seen a great big mark down there, but I don't think this was him. But he's a nice one anyway. Beautiful. On the new rod, you gotta love it. Doing some damage on the walleye. There he is. Oh, I got him. Yeah. Another walleye. Fish on. Yes. Another beautiful eyeball. Fish on. Boy. Oh man, this could be a good walleye. Nah, it's a pike. Boy, he stopped fighting all of a sudden. Now he's wanting to fight. Yeah, we got him. Ah. Skinny one. Oh, I was just coming through some weeds to see him on the graph halfway up, and the line just kind of tightened up, and I thought it was the weed. Never really hit it, just loaded up, and I pulled up on it, and wow, it was a fish. Oh, there we go, folks. That's a pike. It's a pike. Yep. He hammered it good. Boy, he thumped it. He's a jigging minnow there. He thunked that jigging minnow. Just thunk. There's one. Oh, got him. Yes. Went through a big pot of them. It's like, one's gotta hit it. And there he is. Scrapper. Yes. Well, it's always good when you go see them right on your depth finder and you're like, gosh, one of them's gotta hit it. And they did. Yes. There he is. Got him. Another one on the minnow. Man. Another nice walleye. Yes. Beauty. All right. The new rod's doing a trick on them. I got that paired up with a lose, the speed spool. That's the 1000 series, TLC 1000, 12 bar bearings. This is a honey of a reel. I really like that. I just got that couple of these this year, and I really like them. They seem like they're going to hold up really good. Got that 1000 series. You want that smaller reel. You don't need that big giant 25 and 3500 bass type reels. You want that smaller reel. You got plenty of line capacity on it. So it's all you need. Everything's lightweight, light rod, light reel. Man, it's doing a number on them. Let's get another one. Got him. Yes. Another walleye. Got him scrapping down there. That clear water. Got a little bit of algae bloom going. Not too bad yet though. Oh. He sucked it down in there. Not real deep, but all right, another beauty. Another great day on the water. Can't beat it. That might be a bluegill. I don't know. Boat. Oh yeah, bluegill got in the weeds. Nice gill. Well, we had a fantastic morning here fishing for walleyes with our brand new rod. Want to thank my buddy Calvin for making it for me. He did a great job. Everything I wanted to do is perfect, balance perfect. So can't complain. It's a great day in the water. So until next time, tight lines, and we'll catch you later.